Tired of Netflix geoblocks, F1 streams buffering, or hotel Wi-Fi hackers? A VPN isn't just for privacy. It's your golden ticket to buffer-free sports, full Netflix libraries, and security anywhere. Today, I'll show you the best VPN for streaming. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about why you need a VPN for streaming. Here are the top reasons. Number 1. Access local content abroad. With a VPN, you can bypass geo-restrictions and access content that might be unavailable in your current location. Enjoy watching your favorite sports events, TV shows, movies, and more from anywhere in the world. For instance, you can unblock US Netflix or stream live F1 races for free, regardless of your physical location. Number 2. Enhanced security on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are notorious for their lack of security, making your personal data vulnerable to tracking or hacking. By using a VPN, your IP address is masked, and your online activities are encrypted. This added layer of security ensures that your sensitive information remains protected when you're using public Wi-Fi hotspots at airports, hotels, coffee shops, and other public places. Number 3. Prevent ISP throttling. Internet service providers, ISPs, often throttle streaming traffic during peak hours, resulting in buffering, slow speeds, and interruptions to your viewing experience. By connecting to a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted, preventing your ISP from monitoring and slowing down your streaming activities. This helps you enjoy smooth and uninterrupted streaming sessions at any time, without disruptions caused by throttling. So in the second part, we'll recommend a VPN for you to use for streaming. Why the UFO VPN is your best choice. First, global servers. Boasting a network of over 2,000 servers spread across 100 countries, UFO VPN guarantees a seamless connection regardless of your global location. Moreover, specialized lines for streaming and gaming, catering to platforms such as Netflix, BBC iPlayer, YouTube, Call of Duty Mobile, Roblox, etc., ensure optimized performance. Second, fast speeds. Equipped with a built-in speed test feature and cutting-edge protocols tailored for optimal performance, you can relish lag-free experiences with UFO VPN. Last but not least, security and privacy. Safeguard your data with UFO VPN's stringent no-log policy and end-to-end encryption. Rest assured that your online endeavors remain confidential and secure, preserving your privacy in the digital realm. Now let's show you how UFO works. Click the link in the description to get UFO VPN on your device. Then, launch UFO VPN on your device. Select a server you want to switch to connect. In this video, we choose a special line for Netflix. After connecting, you can enjoy region-restricted content or just stay secure online freely. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.